This is my second devlog for the game NIK SIK that I've been working on. And I've added a couple new sound effects. And I've added a store with a shop clerk and some new particle stuff. So if you vape now, there's going to be a sound effect, and you'll be able to blow out the smoke after you're done vaping. Like that. And I'll go to the actual store to show you the sound effects for the store stuff. So here's a store I've been working on. There's a shop clerk here. She randomly chooses either to walk around or to use her vape every 15 to 30 seconds. And now if I grab the money, there's a new sound if you deposit money into the register. And when you choose to buy things, you'll also hear a new sound effect. And these have a little bit of randomized pitch to make it more interesting. Like how when you break blocks in Minecraft, there's a randomized pitch. I've also got these new pods, but I haven't created the devices for them yet. And I've got some new juice bottles, which are over here. My hand's clipping through so you can see through the liquid right now. And now you're able to, if you have the right kind of pod, you can fill it up with the juice from the juice bottle. There's no animation for it yet, but it is happening. And it'll update the levels in both of the containers. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to work on the AI for the beast right now, and I'll post an update with the model for that soon.